Hi, my name is Maria, and in this video I'm going to show you how to choose a relevant audience for your LinkedIn campaign. Just go to your account, My Network, Connections, and search with filters. Then tick the box with second and third connections and click on Show Results. Now we go to All filters. Here are filters that we can apply to find the most relevant people for you. You can start with location and choose a country, or you can set out each city to make your search even more specific. For example, if you define a certain city, say Seattle in the US, your list of names will be more refined, and therefore you'll expand your search and get more people. Now scroll down to the title. Title is a very important filter, since it narrows down your audience to only those who might be interested in your product according to your ICP. Don't limit your search to just one title, experiment with multiple names of one job title in multiple campaigns. For those who have bought Sales Navigator, you have a greater number of options for your filtering. For example, you can filter by several job titles or keywords at the same time. I always use geography and multiple job titles. Sometimes you need to specify the size of the company by people, if your product caters to the companies of a certain size. This can be found using the headcount filter. Here you can increase the search range. Sales Navigator adds such filters as years of experience, company headcount, seniority level, company name, etc. Now, when you've finished applied filters, click on Show Results and copy the link from the address bar. Closely will run automated campaigns replacing manual work. To start your campaign, click on Save and Continue. Here you can write your messages, a connection message or follow-up targeted to your audience. I hope this video helps, especially if you're just started exploring LinkedIn as a sales tool. Have a great day and take care!
Friends, this is Maria, and today I'm going to share with you the fastest hack on how to grow your LinkedIn network. You know that currently LinkedIn allows to send only up to 100 requests per week, and it's really painful, but luckily there are legal ways to go around those limitations without breaking any rules. Don't forget to check our previous video where my teammate Nazar explained how to add people using their emails, and he's working hard right now on his next video explaining on how to find those emails on web, so stay tuned. And today's hack is so easy that it's quite harder to pour yourself a cup of coffee actually. So let's go! Joining a LinkedIn group makes you able to send messages to its members without sending any connection request and without going through that boring routine all over again. So let's test it now. Open this group and find someone. Remember, you have to be a member of the group for at least 96 hours. Here we have, for example, this guy. Make sure you write a relevant and not at all pitchy message, otherwise this hack won't do much good for you. The biggest advantage of this method is that you can write messages to any people who are in the same group with you, unless they opted out from group communication. but only from the interface of the group. Of course, you won't be able to send a message after switching to their accounts. The same hack applies to events. There is one caveat to this hack. The messages that you send in this way won't appear as usual. They'll be hanging in requests until the person accepts them.